Shooting an Elephant by George Orwell is a narrative essay about Orwell's time as a police officer for the British Raj in colonial Burma. The essay deals about the inner conflict that Orwell experiences in his role of representing the British Empire and upholding the laws. At the opening of the essay, Orwell explains that he is opposed to the British colonial project in Burma. In explicit terms, he says that he is on the side of Burmese people who he feels are opposed by colonial rule. As a police officer, he sees the brutalities of the imperial projects up close and first hand. He represents the British presence in the country. Inevitably, he faces challenges as a police officer representing British imperial power. The people of Burma hate the empire too, and thus they hate Orwell, for he is the face of the empire. They harass him and mock him and see opportunities to laugh at him. He explains that at the time of the events, he is too young to grasp the dilemma of his situation or to know how to deal with it. He thus finds himself representing the Burmese people as well. The one thing that the Burmese have over the British is the ability to mock and to ridicule them. Orwell's entire focus as an police officer thus becomes about avoiding the ridicules of the Burmese. The narrative centers around the event of a day when all these conflicted emotions manifest themselves and Orwell faces them and understands them. On this day, Orwell learns that an elephant has broken its chain and it is undergoing a bout and must a passing hormonal disorder and causes elephants to become violent. The elephant is rampaging through the bazaar, wreaking havoc, feeling compelled to do some decent policing, or will set out with a small rifle to see what is happening. He states that he has no intention of killing the elephant. ये तो हुआ ही नहीं क्या